channel. My name is Karen. Today we are going to make a banana. How to make a banana? To make a banana, you need brown milk, stuffing, beans, scissors, glue gun, a banana paper, you can like this, yellow felt, and a piece of green felt, thread and needle. Take yellow felt, put your pattern. You can easily make this. Just draw a banana and cut. So here pin on fold. Cut. Remove pins and cut another set. You need 4. Okay, take this part and do like that. Okay, so here okay, when you get here, stop here. When you get here, stop here. Do the same here. From here, so up to here. Okay, it's on. So now take this part, put here. Okay, and so here. Okay, like that. So now take this part here and sew here. Okay, it's done. Looks like this. So now here, turn inside out like that. Okay, like that. So now take your needle and thread and do a loose stitch here. And pull. And tie here. And secure the thread. Okay, it's done. So now here, open, take some stuffing and insert. use a pencil or a scissors to insert here. Okay, it's done. Don't worry about the shape right now. We will fix that later on. So now here, take here and sew here. Do this one more time. Fold here and fold here and sew. Okay, so now let's shape it. Okay, like that. So now, so here. Pull the thread from this side. Do not pull here. Take a lighter green color of felt and make this shape. This one and put it here. You can either sew it here or use a glue gun. Okay, like that. And then take brown yarn and do this. And put here. Okay, like that. And take another one and put here. Okay, use your glue gun. Okay, like that. Okay, your banana is done. Nice. How to make a banana.